Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So there's this marketing guy. I really enjoy watching him. He goes by Gary V. You may have heard of him. And he does a great job, among other things, in motivating folks to overcome procrastination, get you moving. He'll say, stop right now and do it right now. Leave the video, go right now. And there's a lot of practical truth in that. But how do you know in a business if you're over planning, overthinking, and not taking enough action? Because you know what? I think about it. I bet you that procrastination and never really taking action, what could that have cost? The cost of that in terms of growing a business, maybe one of the biggest, if not the biggest thing, right? So how do we know? Well, maybe if you find that you're laying out a plan and you're thinking about it, and then you're making a list of what to do, and then you're kind of researching it, and then you kind of update the list, and then you think about it, but you find that you're never having steps that day, that week, or the next week, then maybe we're over planning. So what you're looking for is one thing to have a strategy, right? And have a plan and have a list. And in the list, having steps. Steps that you can take action on right away, to get the momentum going. By the way, you're going to find, we all do, that as you start the steps, you change what you want to do and how you're going to do it. So the main thing is to get started. So Gary Vee makes a good point. We can learn it in our cleaning businesses too. And that is to not do over planning and to take action that moves us forward. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.